Hey girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some gel tip extensions as well as doing some really cute cheetah print nail art. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe because I do post weekly nail videos. With the Miniluxe gel tip kit, you do get this mini UV LED nail lamp. This is to cure the gel into place. You get the 4-in-1 base coat gel. This is a really thick gel to adhere the nail tips to your natural nails. You also get a bag of nail tips. These are the long coffin shape. As the free gift, you do get some rhinestones as well as some tweezers. So for the nail tips, I have already picked out all of the sizes for my nails. You do want to make sure that they fit your nails as best as possible. For the nail prep, I have already done the basics. You want to make sure to prep your nail and then apply a layer of the 4-in-1 base coat and cure for 1 minute. On top of my nail prep, I do have a layer of peel base for easy removal. As you can see, this gel is very thick. To apply the nail tips, I'm going to put some of the base gel inside of the nail tip. You really don't need too much product when doing this step. I'm then going to turn the nail lamp on and start applying the nail tip to my nail. I'm starting at the cuticle area and I'm going to slowly push down until the gel reaches the free edge of my nail. I'm then going to hold that in place under the nail lamp for 1 minute. I'm going to repeat the exact same step for all of the other nails. If you are a beginner applying gel tips to your nails, I would recommend to start with your pinky first and work your way in towards the thumb. This will prevent you from applying too much gel after working with the bigger nail tip sizes. When doing this step, it's very important to make sure that you're curing the nails on very straight, just to make sure that your nails do not turn out looking very crooked. Doing gel tips like this is one of the quickest and easiest ways to extend your natural nail. For the actual gel tip application, it does not take more than about 1.5 minutes to apply per finger, so that's under 10 minutes for one hand. So this is definitely one of the quickest ways to apply extensions to your nails. They can also last 3 to 6 weeks with proper application and nail prep. These gel tips are really nice quality and they're pretty sturdy, so you don't have to apply something like acrylic or dip powder over top to get the strength that you need for your nails. You can just apply some gel polish or regular nail polish after the application. If you are interested in purchasing any of the items shown in this video, everything will be linked down below in the description. You can also use the code KCNAILS20 to save 20% off of your DoubleDipNails purchase. After all of the nail tips have been cured into place, here's what they look like. These tips are so beautiful. I love the length and shape of these nail tips. You don't really have to do any shaping, but I am going to take a hand file and lightly file over the tip of the nail just to remove that little plastic piece and make sure that the shape is exactly how I want. Next step is optional, but I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to take the professional portable e-file and using this small cuticle bit, I'm going to be filing around the cuticle and sidewall areas of all of the nails. This is going to remove any of the gel that spilled out from the nail tip, as well as blend it in with the natural nail and make it look as natural as possible. This will also prevent any ledges in your nails when they start growing out. You can do this step with a hand file, but it's much easier and quicker to do this step with an e-file. Next, I'm going to take a small buffer and using the rougher side, I'm going to be buffing the shine away from the nail tip. Doing this step is going to make sure that the surface is very smooth, you don't have any ridges from the previous step, and it's also going to allow the next product to adhere better. Next, using a stiff manicure brush, I'm going to dust away all of the excess dust. Here are what the nails look like after the jelly tips have been applied, and now we're ready for the next product application. Tell me what you think, but I love seeing freshly buffed nail tips. They look so perfect. Now I'm going to take this marble nail palette and I'm going to be taking some of these gel liners. These are from the Fall the Harvest gel liner collection. The colors in this gel liner collection are very beautiful. I love the colors of them. I'm taking this one right here. This is a dark brown color. And I'm going to be applying some of the polish onto the nail palette. I'm also going to take the super white gel polish and I'm going to add a little bit of this. I'm going to mix these colors together and continue adding more white gel polish until I get the perfect nude shade for the base color of the nails. I did end up adding quite a bit of white, and this is the color that I ended up with. I love it. I'm going to take the brush from the white gel polish bottle and I'm going to be picking up that gel polish color, and I'm going to be applying a layer of this onto all of the nails. If you do use a brush from a different gel polish bottle, make sure to clean the brush very well before inserting it back into the gel polish bottle. When applying the gel polish to the nail tip, I want to make sure to stay a hairline away from the cuticle and sidewall areas just to try to prevent getting any of this product on my skin. Doing this can also cause lifting, so you want to make sure not to get any product on the skin of your nail. If I do get any gel polish on the skin, I quickly remove it before curing the nails. I'm going to be applying this gel polish color onto all of the nails. The reason that I ended up mixing this nude gel polish color is, believe it or not, I actually don't really have like good nude gel polishes. I do have some good nudes in like polygels and dip powder, but for the actual nude gel polish color, I don't really have any. I do have one that I use a lot on my natural nails, which I'm actually running out of that one, so I have to get more very soon. But I didn't want to use that color for the base of this nail set because I thought it wouldn't go together very well, so I ended up just mixing this color up. I actually really like how this nude color turned out. If you guys do have recommendations for good nude gel polish colors that are opaque, let me know down in the comments because I am looking for some good nudes for gel polishes. I did actually get the inspo from this nail set from Kylie Jenner. I don't really know how old this photo is. I'll try to like research and see when she posted these, but I thought this nail design was so cute. I actually thought once I was doing the French tips that it got a little bit repetitive and I didn't want to do all of them French tips. So I did play around with the nail design just a little bit, but this is the inspo for this nail set. After the gel polish has been applied, I'm going to do a full cure under the nail lamp for 1 minute. I'm then going to take this same color and I'm going to be doing a second layer of gel polish color on all of the nails. This is going to give me the perfect opacity for this color. And of course, after the second layer of gel polish has been applied, I'm going to cure for 1 minute. Here are what the nails look like after the second layer of gel polish has been cured. I'm then going to take the number 5 gel liner. This is also from the Fall the Harvest gel liner collection. I'm going to be applying a little bit of this polish onto the nail palette because I do want this color to be a little bit lighter. So I'm adding a little bit of the white gel polish and I'm going to mix those two colors together. I am using the liner brush from that gel liner bottle, and once I have those colors mixed together very well, I'm going to draw a line where I want the French tip to be, and then I'm going to connect that dot to the sides of the nail. You can make this as straight or as curvy as you like. I personally love a very deep smile line. This is just a personal preference. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side to complete the smile line outline. Once I have the smile line outlined, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the tip of the nail with that gel polish color. I'm going to repeat the exact same steps to the pinky nail as well because I'm going to be doing another French tip nail. You can do French tips to all of the nails for this nail design, but personally I love to have multiple accent nails with my nail sets. I think it gives the nails a lot of character and I love how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing the French tip on the pinky nail. I'm going to do the same thing to the thumbnail as well to do another French tip nail. Once I have those 3 French tip nails, I'm going to cure for 1 minute under the nail lamp. Next, I'm taking the pale yellow color. This is number 1. This is also from the Fall the Harvest gel liner collection. I'm going to place some on the nail palette and using a dotting tool. I am using the bigger side of the dotting tool to apply some yellow dots onto the French tips. You can make as many or as few as these dots as you like. Once I have the index nail, I'm also going to be applying the dots to the pinky French tip nail as well. And for the accent nails, I'm going to do these yellow dots on the sides of the nail. I don't want to cover the entire nails, so I'm only doing these dots on the left side of the nail. I am doing the same thing to the ring fingernail as well. And for the thumb, I'm going to repeat the same step as the other French tips. I'm then going to cure that layer for 1 minute. I'm then going to take this black gel liner. This is number 10. This is from my different gel liner collection. I am going to add some of the black gel polish onto the nail palette to easily pick up with the dotting tool. I did clean the dotting tool in between those 2 gel polish colors. I'm taking a little bit of the black gel and I'm basically going to do some black outlines around those yellow dots. You do want to leave some gaps in between these circles just to make it look a little bit more realistic. I did learn while doing this manicure just to tap lightly while trying to do these circles, and it does make it look a little bit more realistic. I also added some solid black dots in between those bigger ones just to fill in any gaps. I'm going to be repeating the exact same step to all of the other nails. Again, for these accent nails, I'm only doing the cheetah print on the side of the nail. I don't want to cover the entire nail with this print. One thing I really love about this type of nail design is it does not have to be perfect, as real cheetah print is not perfect and no 2 cheetah prints look exactly the same, so you don't have to worry about your nail art looking perfect. Once I have all of the black gel applied, I'm going to do a full cure under the nail lamp. Once that layer is cured, I'm going to take the top coat gel. This is from one of the polygel kits. You can use any gel top coat of your choice. I'm going to be applying a layer of this onto all of the nails. I love finishing my manicures with a gel top coat. It does self-level, so it gives the nails a very beautiful smooth surface. I love the consistency of Double Dip's gel top coats. They're my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat to all of the nails. Before curing the nails, you can hold your hand upside down for a few seconds just to make sure that that gel self-levels very nicely. So after the gel top coat has been applied, I am going to do a full cure under the nail lamp. And for the last step, I'm going to take the cuticle oil, which is number 6, and I'm going to be applying this to all of the cuticles. It is really important to rehydrate your skin after your manicures. It can also help your nails last longer with daily application. And here are the nails. I think this nail design came out super cute. I love it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe because I do post weekly nail tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!